Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get rid of the TikTok watermarks whenever you save a video, because with the new update, whenever you save a video from TikTok, it will come up with your watermarks. So this is to save your video or someone else's video and you still won't get a watermark. And if you haven't already followed my TikTok's right here, and also make sure you're subscribed and you've turned on my post notifications so you never miss any of my videos. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the two apps you'll need is Video Crop and then obviously TikTok. So yeah, you just need two apps for this. So let's just give you an example. So we're just gonna give an example. So I'm just gonna go into one of my videos and say I wanted to save this video. What you wanna do is, instead of, you wanna press the three dots, and then instead of pressing save video, because that will save with more watermarks, you want to press duet. So once you press duet, just basically just film anything. You don't have to film anything because you're not going to see that in the video. So yeah, once you've done that, you don't want to save it to drafts yet. What you want to do is press next. So what you want to do is press next, and then you want to screen record the video. So I'm already on screen record for this video, but you just want to screen record. If you don't know how to screen record, go into your settings and enable your screen recording. And yeah, just screen record the video like that. So basically I want to save that video. So once it's screen recorded, just stop your screen record. And now you want to go on to Video Crop. Okay, so once you've got your video saved to your camera roll from your screen recording, it automatically saves. And yeah, you want to go on to Video Crop and then just select the video that you have. So now you want to go on to Free Ratio and press 9:16, and this will give you just the size, the screen size, and then yeah, just position it on the video so it's cropped on the video. Yeah, and then you want to press Export. And this will just save it to your camera roll. And yeah, when you go onto your camera roll, basically it has no watermark and you got yours saved. So now you can save someone else's video or even your own video without the watermark showing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.